for card throwing is a card. So now you need a card to be lightweight so you can toss the card into the air. So now I'm going to teach you how to throw a card, a playing card. So now there are two methods. In one in which you hold the card like this. Yeah, you're gonna clip the card like this between your index finger and your middle finger, right like this over here, and you're gonna curl your fingers in and make sure that the bottom left corner touches your wrist like this, okay? So as I told you, we are going to clip fingers like this, we're going to curl it in, and then you're going to eventually going to release like this. So there are two types of throwers. One is a baseball thrower. So they're going to pull back and then throw like a baseball. Like you throw a baseball, okay? Throw a baseball like this. So you're going to flick the card like this, just like a baseball. And there's another type in which you throw like a frisbee. You're going to take it to your left and then throw. Flick the card like that. So now I am an expert in frisbee throwing. So not an expert like an amateur, but yeah, I'm still learning. So I'm going to throw the card in the frisbee style. Hold the card like this, throw it in, flick. If you want more accuracy, you have to throw it in the baseball method like this. If you want more speed, an object like vegetables, fruit, something, or vegetable or something like that, you can throw it like this. Because you don't enjoy it, okay? So let's move on to the next side. So now I'm going to teach you the second method, in which you're going to clip the card at the top left corner like this. Before we used to clip it like this, now I'm going to clip it like this right now. And then we're going to curl it in the usual. Let it touch the bottom right corner, touch your wrist, and then release. It's really simple. There are many methods. You can use any method. It's going to give you the same result, but there are some variations in speed, in accuracy, and many more. First, take the card, flip the top left corner like this. Curl it in and release it. So let me show you. Pull back and release. See what? Let's move on to the third method. For the third method, you need a card, and now this time you will need a rubber band. So we're gonna use the rubber band like this. We're gonna put it across our two fingers, maybe our thumb and our index, and then we're gonna put the card like this, and then we're gonna release it like this. Pull it back and release. So you might not want to put it in the center because it's gonna flutter and just go like that. So I would advise you to put it at the right corner like this. Don't put it too much to the right because it's just gonna spin and go really slow. So we're gonna put it like this and then gonna release. If you're putting the rubber band in your right hand, you're gonna have to adjust the card at the right hand side. If you're a lefty, you can put the rubber band in the left hand and then put the card like this in the left hand, okay? So I'm going to use the right hand. So it's the right, then add two, and release. That is good. The rubber band method is used for beginners, so for people who don't know how to throw cards smoothly like this or anything like that, so it gives them fun even though they are not that expert in that. But those other two methods are also really easy. So you don't have to worry about that. You don't learn every time. You practice properly, you get the basics right. Here is the fourth method. We got the fourth method right now. So now we are going to throw the card in a different style. We are going to put our middle finger below the card and thumb finger over here at the center. We're going to put our index finger at the top right corner like this and then flick the card like this. As I told you, put your middle finger below the card and your thumb finger at the middle above and your index finger at the top right. quick links. So you can use any method. You can use the frisbee method or the baseball method. So I'm going to show you the frisbee method. So here we are. I've got one last card throwing for you. So this is called the Spiderman trick shot. Spiderman card throwing. So you're gonna hold it like Spiderman does, like this, just like this. We're gonna hold it over here between our ring finger and our middle finger. We're gonna hold it to the top right corner, and then we're gonna pull it back inside and then flick it, just like Spiderman throws his webs. So this technique, I have made it like, so it just came to my mind right now, and now I'm gonna execute it. So hold your card and in between your ring finger and your middle finger, top right corner like this. Close in and release. Just like that. Quick. Go like that. Hold it like this. Or you can even hold it the top left corner like this. Curl it in and then release. So whichever is easy to you, you can use that. Curl it in